Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I just wanted to pop on really quick and give you the name of the winner for the Fort Worth Fabric Studio as Luck Would Have It kits. I just checked on their website right before I made this video and they've only got 9 kits left and they are $52.96 each, I believe. This quilt measures out at 51 by 51 and we will begin sewing this together, or actually cutting the first week, February 14th, and then every Monday thereafter through March 7th. So if you'd like to join and you're not a winner tonight, run on over and grab a kit, or you're always welcome to use the fabrics in your stash. The fabric requirements and cutting instructions will not post until February 14th. Yeah, I think that's everything I have about that for you. So what I'm going to do is stop the video, use my random comment picker for the video, for the previous video, find the name and pop it up here. And if that person could please email me, I will put my email in the description box below, and I will also put the link to the kit if you're not the winner and you wanted to get one. So you can go directly there and grab one. Like I said, there's only 9 kits left, so hurry. Fort Worth Fabric Studio, I believe, was closed today. I'm not sure about tomorrow. It's going to depend on their weather. So you can go ahead and purchase it. I'm not sure when they'll start shipping again, but they'll get it to you before we start, so no worries there. But that's all I have, and I hope you have a great night, and congratulations to the winner, whoever you are. I won't know until a minute, but I'm going to pop it up at the end of this video, and then make sure to contact me. Please email me with your name, tell me that you're the winner, and your mailing address. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night, and I'm looking forward to sewing this with you. Bye-bye.